Saving seeds can help gardeners save lots of money, grow better crops, and become more self reliant. Harvesting your own seed is fun but takes a little understanding and planning. In this video, we will learn how to collect and store seeds from your flowering plants for the next season. Collect only the ripe seeds from the seed heads. This is often indicated by a color change from green to brown, black, or red. Seed heads can ripen quickly and must be washed carefully in order to collect the seed before they are dispersed. Make sure the plants from which you collect seeds must be healthy and vigorous. This will help ensure good quality seedlings and plants. Seeds harvested from immature seed pods will not germinate. Always collect ripe seeds on a dry day. When collecting vinca seeds, look for long, narrow green seed pods hidden on the stem beneath blooming flowers. Snip or pinch the pods when the petal drop from the blooms and the pods are turning from yellow to brown. Watch the plant carefully. If you wait too long, the pods will split and you will lose the seeds. Pick the seed heads either as a single piece or on stalks. Collect only the ripe seeds from the seed heads. This is often indicated by a color change from green to brown, black, or red. Seed heads can ripen quickly and must be washed carefully in order to collect the seed before they are dispersed. Gently crush seed pods to release the seeds. This enables seeds to be more easily extracted from the pods.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. In my
Do not pick the seed heads immediately after petals fade, though wait until the seed themselves, if they are visible, have reached mature size if not ripeness. Dry, then leave the seeds to dry for few days on a paper towel. To remove excess moisture, you can also place silica gel or calcium chloride in the box, as excess humidity or moisture can cause seeds to become infertile. Thanks for watching. Please share and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such informational videos.